Dear students, next one screw gauge problem, but this question NEET level question. Okay, please see the question carefully. In a screw gauge, the zero of main scale, that means the pitch scale, that reference line. In the screw gauge, the zero of the main scale coincide with the fifth division of the circular scale in the figure. See that here, this is they mention as what is that main scale. So this is known as pitch scale also. Okay, so this zero means here that reference line only they are saying. This reference line is coincident with the fifth line of the head scale. Okay, so you know very well that the how to do the screw gauge experiment. Here they didn't use the material here, so this is that material. Before using the material, we should find the error, whether the error is present or not in the screw gauge. See that these two edges contact one another, so in this situation only we are going to find the error. Okay, so first we want to find the error, zero error and zero correction we want to find. Okay, see that I'll read the question one more time. In the screw gauge, the zero of the main scale coincident with the fifth division of the circular scale of the figure 1. So in the figure 1, then after that the question, the circular division of the screw gauge are 50 division. So here number of division is given, that is 50, where on the head scale or the circular scale. Okay, it moves 0.5 millimeter on the main scale for one rotation. Okay, for every rotation it will move 0.5 millimeter on the main scale. So here, okay, so the diameter of the ball is asking by using the second diagram. Okay, by using the first diagram, it is possible to find the least count and then zero error and zero correction. And then by using the second diagram, we can find the diameter of the given ball. Okay, first we can focus the first diagram. Listen students, see in the first diagram, okay, this line, that means the reference line, is coincident with the fifth line of the head scale. Then one more thing, this reference line is above from the zero of the head scale. So it should be what kind of error? That is positive error. So error is positive. Positive error confirmed. So we can write zero error is equal to, okay, what is the value coincident here? Fifth line. So fifth line into least count. So we should know the least count of this apparatus. Okay, so we should find the least count first. So least count formula, you know that least count of a formula, that is pitch value divided by number of head scale division. So we must to find the pitch value first. Number of head scale is given, number of head scale is, that is 50, that is no issues. So first you find the pitch value, then only we can find least count. So please, one more extra step, first you find the pitch value. So pitch value formula, you know, that is a distance moved on the head scale divided by number of rotation. Okay, so first distance moved, how much distance is moved? It moves 0.5 millimeter. So 0.5 millimeter is moving, 0.5 millimeter moving. Okay, 0.5 millimeter, it moves 0.5 millimeter on main scale division for one rotation. So number of rotation is 1. Okay, so therefore pitch value is equal to 0.5 millimeter divided by 1, that is 0.5 millimeter only. So the pitch value is ready. Okay, now this pitch value we are going to apply in least count formula. So now I can write the least count formula. Okay, so please listen. Therefore least count is equal to pitch value divided by number of head scale division. pitch value you know, that is 0.5 millimeter, divide by number of head scale division is how much, that is 50. So 0.5 divided by 50, so that is we can write 0.1 divided by 10 millimeter. 0.1 divided by 10 we can write as 0.01 millimeter. So this is the least count of the given screw gauge. So by using the first diagram, first we want to find the least count. Okay, now the least count is ready. So now let's come for the zero error. So zero error is equal to 5 into 0.01 millimeter. Therefore zero error is equal to 0.05 millimeter. Okay, zero error is ready. Therefore zero correction is equal to, you know very well, zero error and zero correction same magnitude but opposite. So minus 0.05 millimeter. So this is zero correction. So by using the first diagram we can find the least count value and then zero error value. Okay, so this is from the diagram 1. Okay, let's we go for diagram 2. Okay, so from the diagram 2, so this is additional steps. Okay, first least count and then zero correction is over. Next let's we focus the diagram 2. Okay, so please listen. Dear students, see this diagram. They are taking the reading now. Here the ball is there. This ball diameter only we are going to find. Okay, so after contact with the this material, so let's we focus the main scale, that is pitch scale and head scale. Okay, so we know that formula. First you should find observed reading, next correct reading. Okay, first we can find the observed reading. So what is the formula? You know that observed reading formula is, that is what, observed reading is equal to pitch scale reading plus head scale coincident into least count. So this is already you know. So therefore observed reading, actually this observed reading only diameter of the ball. Okay, so observe pitch scale reading. Pitch scale reading is how much? So pitch scale reading. So here the pitch scale reading, how many lines are there? First line is 0, second line, third line. Okay, so first line is 0, that is leave it. So totally here 2 lines are there, that is the meaning. So each and every lines of the pitch scale you know very well. So already that is each pitch value is how much? So please, you know already each pitch value what? 0.5 millimeter. So here how many lines are there? First line is 0, that is leave it. So next to 2 line, so 2.5 is there. So 2.5, that is 1. So pitch scale reading is 1 millimeter, that is the meaning. So please understand. Okay, so here 3 lines are there. First line is 0, that is leave it. Next to 2 lines are there. So each line is 0.5 millimeter. So 2 times of 0.5, that is pitch scale reading is 1 millimeter. Okay, then plus, then HSC, head scale coincident. Which line is coincident here? 25th line. So 25th line into least count. Least count already we found, you know, that is 0.01 millimeter. So therefore observed reading is equal to 1 millimeter plus 0.25 millimeter. Therefore observed reading equal to 1 millimeter plus 0.25 millimeter is 1.25 millimeter. Actually this is observed reading. Okay, after that we want to find current reading. Okay, already you know that practical. Okay, so experimentally we verified in previous videos. Okay, foundation video 6, sorry, 7th video. Okay, please refer that. Okay, so observed reading equal to 1.25 millimeter. Now what the correct reading? So correct reading formula is observed reading plus or minus 0 correction. So you know very well, in this question we got positive error. So 0 error is 0.05 millimeter, but 0 correction is minus 0.05 millimeter. So let's we write here correct reading. This is the final. Correct reading equal to observed reading. Observed reading what? 1.25 millimeter plus or minus. What we got? Minus. So minus 0.05 millimeter. That is a correction. So minus 0.05 millimeter. So 0.05 we want to reduce. Therefore correct reading equal to 1.25 la 0.05 pochuna 1.20, that is remaining. So 1.20 millimeter, that is the correct reading. Therefore diameter of the this is the diameter of the given ball is, that is 1.20 millimeter. So if you focus this question, they gave 4 options: 2.25 millimeter, 2.20 millimeter, 1.20 millimeter and 1.25 millimeter. So correct option is, we got option C. Okay students, I hope you understand this question. Okay, directly we can't write this answer. You must know theoretical and practical knowledge about the screw gauge, then only possible to find this solution. Okay, thank you.